A and B participate in 200-meter race. A runs at speed of 6 kilometers per hour. A gives B a start of 18 meters and still beats him by 6 seconds. Find the speed of B in kilometer per hour. A and B participate in 200-meter race. Let us say 200-meter race. A runs at speed of 6 kilometer per hour. So we know the speed of A. A gives B a start of 18 meters. What is the meaning of that? Let's understand. A gives B a start of 18 meters means, let us say when starting A, yes, we will say, then B when starting is here. This distance is 18 meters. That means B will cover only the distance of 182 meters to win the race, whereas A has to cover 200 meters to win the race. That is the meaning of A gives B a start of 18 meters. That means B is at this position, whereas A is at starting position. Now that's the meaning of that. And still beats him by 6 seconds. What is the meaning of that? Still beats him by 6 seconds means, let us say A in the finishing point is here, AF, then B is somewhere here, and he needs 6 more seconds. He has to run 6 seconds more so that he can complete the race. Now this is what the information is given to us. With this information we have to find out what is this, find the speed of B in kilometer per hour. Since we have been given the information related to A, let us try to find out what is the time taken by A to complete 200 meters distance. So I'll write down. We'll prepare a small table. We will say distance, then we will say time, then this is speed, and we know speed equals to d divided by t. Now we will check that for A and B. So for A, the distance covered is 200 meters. For B, the distance covered is 182 meters. The time taken by B we want to find out. So we will go first to the speed, that is in meters per second we want to put it. Place it because distance is in meter. We have been given that speed of A is 6 kilometers per hour. We'll convert that into meters per second. So we'll multiply with 6 into 5 by 18, which is 5 by 3 meters per second. So I'll write down here 5 by 3 meters per second. If the speed is 5 by 3 meters per second, then what will be the time? Time is nothing but distance by speed. So that is 200 divided by 5 by 3, which is equals to 120, and the time is in seconds. So A covers a distance of 200 meter and takes a time of 120 seconds at the speed of 5 by 3 meter per second. Now what we have to find out is speed of B. So what is the time taken by B to cover the distance of 182 meters? That will be nothing but equals to 120 seconds whatever A have taken, and still B needs 6 seconds more so that he can reach the finishing point. That means B needs 120 plus 6, 126 seconds. So we know the distance, we know the time, we can calculate the speed. Speed equals to 182 divided by 126 meters per second. Now we will convert that into kilometer per hour. We will have 182 by 126 into meter per second. We want to convert into kilometer per hour. We will multiply with 18 by 5. So let us simplify that. We will have 9 2s are, 9 14s are, 2 will go 7 times, 7 will go 26 times, 26 by 5 is 5.2 kilometers per hour. So the speed of B in kilometers per hour is 5.2. Let's have a recap of this problem. A and B participate in 200-meter race. Speed of A is 6 kilometers per hour. A gives B a start of 18 meter, which means A has to cover 200 meters, whereas B needs to cover only 182 meters, which is 200 minus 18. But still A is able to finish the race before B. So A has beaten B by 6 seconds. The meaning of that is B needs 6 seconds more than whatever the time taken by A to complete the distance of 182 meters. Now let's put a small table. We have distance covered by A is 200 meters. Distance covered by B is 182 meters. We know the speed of A is 6 kilometers per hour. Converting into meter per second, it is 5 by 3. From that we can calculate how much time is taken by A to complete the race. That is 120 seconds. We know that then B needs 120 plus 6 seconds to complete the race. Now the speed of B is given by distance by time, that is 182 divided by 126 meters per second, but we want answer in kilometer per hour, so we'll multiply with 18 by 5 to convert to into kilometers per hour, and we get the answer as 5.2 kilometers per hour. Now suppose the same question came in competitive exam. This I have explained in detail so that if you are looking at this type of problem for the first time, then you will understand some keywords like what is the meaning of giving a start and what is the meaning of beating by a particular time. What is the meaning of that? Now in competitive exam you get this question, then you can solve this in simply by just write down 200 minus 18 because that is the distance covered by B, and find out the time taken by A, let us say T, plus whatever the time B needs more to finish, that is T plus 6. Now only the thing is you have to calculate what is T, time taken by A to complete the race. That will be 120 seconds. So then you will be getting your answer. As I want to explain in detail for the first time, so I have tried to be as clearer as possible so that you will understand each step written. When we do more problems on this particular topic, then we will go at a little bit more speed to finish this. So I'll catch you once again with another interesting example. Till then, keep smiling and sharing. See you again. Bye for now.